An earthquake of magnitude 4.2 struck the Indian Ocean early on Sunday, according to the National Center for Seismology, or NCS. The tremor occurred at a depth of 90 kilometers. According to a post by the National Center for Seismology on X, an earthquake of magnitude 4.2 was recorded in the Indian Ocean at 5:39:28 IST on April 5, 2026 at a depth of 90 kilometers, with coordinates at latitude 5.305 north and longitude 93.972 east. Earthquakes can originate at depths ranging from the Earth's surface down to about 700 kilometers. For scientific classification, this depth range is divided into three categories: shallow, intermediate, and deep, as per data from the United States Geological Survey, or USGS. Shallow earthquakes occur at depths between 0 and 70 kilometers, intermediate earthquakes between 70 and 300 kilometers, and deep earthquakes between 300 and 700 kilometers. Generally, earthquakes deeper than 70 kilometers are referred to as deep focus earthquakes, according to the USGS. In a historical context, one of the most powerful earthquakes recorded occurred on December 26, 2004 at 07:58:53 local time. The magnitude 9.2-9.3 earthquake struck off the west coast of Aceh in northern Sumatra, Indonesia. Known as the Sumatra-Andaman earthquake, it was caused by a rupture along the fault line between the Burma Plate and the Indian Plate, reaching a Mercalli intensity of IX in some regions. This undersea earthquake triggered a massive tsunami, with waves rising up to 30 meters or 100 feet. Referred to as the Boxing Day tsunami or Asian tsunami, it devastated coastal areas across the Indian Ocean, resulting in an estimated 227,898 deaths across 14 countries, including Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India, and Thailand.